Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can use your pencil to measure when you're drawing. So the first thing you're going to do is put your candy in the center of your square, exactly where you want it. And then while looking at it, you're going to do your best to draw exactly what you see, the exact same scale, and to sketch it out. So I'm looking at the red on my Tootsie Roll as a sort of guideline for where I want to be. And then I'm gonna add the little white tips on the sides, and then the little twisty part, and then a little to-doodad at the end that pops out. And I'm going quickly. I want you guys to go much slower and try to make it match. Now, I have a quick reference sketch. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my pencil as a unit of measure, and I'm gonna measure the width of my Tootsie Roll. So from the hard end to the hard end, I'm gonna put my pencil down and I'm gonna measure it. So it's about this long. I'm gonna come down here. So my sketch is pretty close to scale. It's a little bit bigger down here. Nope, actually, that's pretty good. So mine's right there. Now I'm gonna come this way and I'm gonna measure it. And I think it's a little bit wider than it needs to be. I need to shave it off a little bit down here. So the pencil is a nice, easy way just to look at where you're at and to see if sizes are accurate without having to get a ruler out. And as you go and draw piece of candy piece, piece of candy piece, it will get quicker and easier as you go. So that's it. That's how you sight with your pencil.